G'day, mates! Welcome, and in this How to Draw video, we'll be drawing Mr. Happy!
Mr. Happy!
Yeah, that's right. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got a paper, and we're going to draw Mr. Happy. Easy character to draw. He's just one giant circle, so let's start doing that. We just have to make sure we leave little gaps for his arms and his feet. So I'm just going to start here. It's probably easier to do a semicircle like this. And then I'm going to leave a little gap for his arm. I'm going to go down to the bottom and then make sure you leave a little gap in the bottom as well for his legs.
And do the same thing on the other
side. That's right. Alright, so let's draw his arms. I'm going to make it so his arms are up in the air because he is excited.
I'm going to do it a bit differently.
You can do it differently, that's right. So we put his arms up and we're going to draw fingers on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. And you're doing hands on the hips. Yeah?
Yeah.
That is cool. So you can draw it any way you like. It's up to you. Okay, now I'm going to do the same
on the other side.
On the other side. That's right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, and the next part is to draw his legs. So we left a little gap open there. It's really easy. We'll draw a line down, and he's got a nice round curved foot. And then we'll draw a line up in the middle. And then we'll just do the same pattern on the other side. Great, there we go. So that's his body done, and let's draw his face. Now he's Mr. Happy, so he's got a really big smile, and we're going to draw his eyes. He's got his eyes closed because he's, you know, when you smile so much and your eyes close. Yeah, that's what he's doing there. Good job. And let's draw his mouth. So basically his mouth takes up this whole space of his body.
Yeah.
Super big. Really big curve like that, and then another line here like that, and then in the corners of the mouth I'm going to do 2 little lines like that because he's smiling so much it's kind of pushing up his cheeks. Now with the mouth we've got a couple of options, like with Natasha you can keep it open and show some teeth and the tongue at the bottom, or he could be doing a big smile where he's just showing his teeth. So I'll draw a line across here like that, and then another line going down, so he's doing it like a really big teethy grin. Or you can do it open with his tongue, any way you like. Either way, he looks really happy. Alrighty, so there we go. Next step is to colour in. And we're back! So we've finished colouring in, and I think they look really wonderful. Super easy character to colour in. There's basically just one colour, yellow. Kind of looks like a bright sun, doesn't he? So this looks good, and I like what you've done with yours. Tell me about that.
This is the queen emoji, and these are the servants, and there's rainbows between them.
Oh, so you put lots of other smiley faces there and put a nice rainbow around. It looks like a frame around Mr. Happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's amazing. So that's a great thing. You can add other details in there as well. You know, use your imagination and you can make some wonderful artwork. Well, hope you've followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our other channel, we've got lots of other videos and Mr. Men characters for you to enjoy. So hope to see you again very soon. Bye!